In this lesson, we shall learn about the box and whisker plots. Now, the box and whisker plots is also known as the 5 points plots. This is because of the 5 points that are being plotted on the diagram. These 3 points here will form the box, and the other 2 points will form the whiskers. The box and whiskers is always plotted on top of a number line. Do remember to label your number lines clearly. The 2 extreme points here are called the lowest value and the highest value, while the other 2 points here at the box will be called the lower quartile and the upper quartile. Finally, the middle point here will be known as the median. Now, to recall, the range can be found by using the highest value minus the lowest value, and the interquartile range can be found by using the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. We shall now learn how to draw a box and whisker diagram. Now, given the following sets of data, let's draw a box and whisker diagram. First, we must find the median. Do you know where is the middle? Yes, it is between 4 and 6, and hence the median is equals to 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is equals to 5. To find the lower quartile and the upper quartile, we will need to divide this into half again, and the lower quartile will be here, which is equals to 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 3, and the upper quartile will be given by 7 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 8. Having found all these 3 points, we shall now go ahead to plot the box and whisker diagram. Now, do remember once again to label your number lines clearly. The lowest value is 1, and hence we will plot a 1 here. The highest value is 12, and we will plot the 12 here. The lower quartile is given by 3, the median is 5, and finally the upper quartile is 8. We shall next proceed to draw the box with the 3 lines, and finally the whiskers. Next, given 2 box and whiskers diagram, find the range of battery A and battery B. Now, the range of battery A will be given by the highest value minus the lowest value, which is 38 minus 9 is equals to 29 hours. The range of battery B will be given by 35 minus 11, which is 24. Next, let's try to find the interquartile range and median of battery A and battery B. The median of battery A will be equals to 24, and the interquartile range will be given by 29 minus 13, which is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, and the answer is 16 hours. Similarly, for battery B, the median is equals to 26 hours, and the interquartile range will be equals to, which is 29 minus 17, which is equals to 12 hours. Next, we are asked to briefly describe these 2 diagrams. Similar to the cumulative frequency curve, when asked to briefly describe the 2 diagrams, we must talk about the median and the interquartile range. You notice that the median for battery B is higher, while the interquartile range is lower. What this means is that, on average, the lifespan of battery B is higher than battery A due to a higher median, and battery B is less spread out than battery A, and hence it is more consistent. Now, it is okay to use either the word spread out or consistent, but do remember to phrase it correctly. Finally, we are asked to find out which battery is better and why. And yes, we will talk about the median. And since the median of battery B is higher, therefore battery B is better. In other words, on average, the lifespan of battery B is longer. Likewise, since the interquartile range of battery B is smaller, it is actually more consistent. And having batteries with more consistency is actually better. And hence, these 2 answers will explain why battery B is better. In summary, drawing a box and whisker plots will require a number line. And we will start by plotting the 5 points, followed by the box and the whiskers. And these 5 points are the lowest value, the highest value, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the median. Also to recall, the range is equals to the highest value minus the lowest value, and finally, the interquartile range will be equals to the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Well, and that's all for this lesson.